how to let your friends play your Roblox private server. So what we want to do is first go to roblox.com and select the game for which we want to create a private server. I will do this one as an example here. I'm simply going to go to the servers tab and I'm going to create a private server. Now the server name is going to be test server for dorks, and then I'm going to buy now. Now after we have done this, we can click on customize and it will take us to the server page. Now, how can we actually let them play? We will have to toggle this on, allow friends or friends allowed. And the other thing that we can do is generate a link here. So after we have generated the link, we can also click on add people here and it's gonna show us a list of our friends, or we can just search by username and we can invite them. But the easiest way is just copying this link here by clicking on this double sheet of paper icon. Copy this and we can send this to our friends in the chat. As an example here, I'm going to right click and paste, and they can just join by clicking on this link that we have sent them right here. So that's how you do it. That's how you allow your friends to play your Roblox private servers. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.